To obtain a QR code on Vinted, start by opening a web browser and typing Vinted into the search bar. The first option that appears should be Vinted.com, which you will need to open. Once the web page loads, you will see a catalog, search bar, inbox, notifications, favorites, and a profile picture or login, sign up option. If you haven't already, click the login button to access your account. After logging in, you will see various options, including your profile and guide, as well as language settings. To get a QR code, you will need to navigate to your profile after selling an item. In your profile, you will see a list of your items. And after a sale, you will receive a confirmation and see a shipping label. Below the shipping label, you will find a digital label. Click on this to generate a unique QR code. You can then use this QR code for your benefit, scanning it to confirm a sale or other transaction, which may be easier than other methods. This process can be useful, and using QR codes can simplify certain tasks.